Welcome to Patient Guard, your trusted source for patient safety and healthcare compliance. Today, we delve into a critical aspect of medical device reprocessing, cleaning validation. Ensuring that medical devices are properly cleaned is essential for patient safety and infection control. Cleaning validation is a documented process that verifies the effectiveness of cleaning procedures in removing contaminants from medical devices. This process ensures that devices are safe for reuse on patients, preventing potential infections and complications. Regulatory agencies, such as the FDA in the United States and the MHRA in the United Kingdom, mandate strict cleaning validation protocols. Compliance with these standards is not only a legal obligation, but also a commitment to patient safety. The cleaning validation process involves several key steps. 1. Developing a validation plan. Define the scope, objectives, and procedures for validation. 2. Identifying worst-case scenarios. Determine the most challenging devices and contaminants to clean. 3. Establishing acceptance criteria. Set quantitative limits for residual contaminants. 4. Conducting validation testing. Perform cleaning procedures followed by analytical testing to detect residuals. 5. Documenting results. Maintain comprehensive records to demonstrate compliance. 6. Periodic review and revalidation. Regularly assess and update validation processes to ensure ongoing effectiveness. Each step is meticulously designed to ensure that cleaning procedures are both effective and reproducible. Cleaning validation can present challenges, especially with complex devices that have intricate designs. Biofilm formation and protein residues are common issues. Employing advanced cleaning technologies such as ultrasonic cleaners and validated detergents can enhance cleaning efficacy. Proper staff training is vital, ensuring that personnel are knowledgeable about cleaning protocols and validation procedures enhances compliance and patient safety. Regular training sessions and competency assessments are recommended. At Patient Guard, we are dedicated to promoting patient safety through education and compliance. For more in-depth information on cleaning validation and other critical topics, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can ensure a safer healthcare environment.